Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by organizing inputs so formulas can work reliably. Enter date, clock in, clock out, and break minutes in adjacent columns now. Make sure each time cell uses Excel time formatting. If a shift crosses midnight, store date plus time or include the next date. Once done, validate entries with data validation to prevent text. You do this because consistent types avoid hash value, errors, and let Excel compute durations deterministically. This is the first actionable step toward accurate working hours. Next, calculate each shift duration and handle tricky cases. Use equals mod, clock out, clock in, 1 so overnight shifts yield a positive time. Then subtract breaks by converting minutes to days with break /1440. For example, equals mod C2B2 1 D2 /1440. Once you have the duration as a time value, convert to decimal hours with equals duration *24 and format as number. Make sure to copy formulas down and use absolute references if you reference common values like break policies. This keeps totals consistent across rows. Finally, total and finalize payroll-ready hours. Sum decimal hour cells with equals SUM range or use equals SUMIFs to total by employee or week. Implement overtime by computing equals MAX 0 total hours 40 and multiply the OT portion by the rate. Use IF to split regular versus overtime pay. Once done, lock formula cells and create a sample check to confirm results. If numbers look wrong, check time formats, stray text, or missing dates. Fixing those usually resolves negative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.